Now I'm going to show you a simple decrease called knit two together, which is commonly abbreviated as k2tog. What you're actually going to do when you do a knit two together is you take the first two stitches on your left hand needle. You don't go into the first one, you go into the second one as if to knit, and then continue up into the first one as if to knit. So they are both on your working needle together, and you will just knit those two together as it says. Let me show you one more time. Take the two stitches on your left needle, go into the second stitch as if to knit, and the first stitch then as if to knit, so they're together on your needle. Knit them and off. Knit two together.